How to find Cash App's account and routing number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can find your Cash App's account and routing number. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now keep in mind that not all the accounts may be eligible for an account number. So before you try to find it, you have to understand how you can get account number. You have to apply in order to get a Cash App account number. Otherwise, people who want to send money to you simply should need to use your phone number or your cash tag. So for this, what I need to do is if I open up Cash App, basically, all you have to do is once you launch the Cash App, make sure that you're signed in, then just tap on the home button. If you're eligible for your account and routing number, you'll find those options over here as well as the account number as well as your routing number. So in case I don't have it, what I will show you is if I open up a browser and then I'll show you, you'll be able to see this type of interface under the home page where you'll see your cash balance, add cash and cash out button, and then under it you'll find the routing and account number. In my case, I'm not eligible, which is why I'm not being able to find it, but if you are, you'll basically find your Cash App's account and routing number in that way. That is it for this video on how you can find a Cash App account and routing number. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.